G'day, it's Kath Molloy and I'm reporting here from Canberra and I have Donald Trump. Hi, how you going? Well, you know, Donald, it's great that you want to make America great again. But there's so many other places in the world that we need to make great too. And I think it is one world we should be looking after and thinking of it as a whole, not just one place. And that brings me to hotels. Everywhere I go, we have all these little plastic bottles. Now, I don't understand why we just don't have the big refills for shampoo, conditioner, and we can help save the planet from all these plastics. But one of my big bugbears is everywhere you go, they have these little tiny plastic metal bits here that you have to pull out. Where do you think they all end up? I imagine down the drains and in the oceans and filling up the stomachs of our fish as well as our birds that then eat the fish. So I remember one article, they cut open a bird and it had over 200 pieces of plastic and bits and pieces in it. So I think it's really important that we start to look after the world and make the world great again, not just America. What do you think?